Hi, I'm Neetu. Welcome to my channel Unique Touch by Neetu. Today, I love to share a special moment with you all. It's been 3 months since we created this channel, and we have crossed more than 1000 subscribers by this time. It's all because of your support and encouragement. And this special moment, I love to share a unique recipe from Unique Touch. It's a matcha cake. Basically, it's a green tea powder cake. This is matcha cake or powdered green tea cake. With your permission, let us cut the cake. When you hear that this is the cake which is made with green tea powder, don't expect that this is a cake for those people who do dieting. No, it's not like that. When you have this cake, it seems like the feeling you get when you have a cup of green tea, that refreshing feeling that you will get in each bite of this cake. That is what the specialty for this cake. Now let's move on to the ingredients. 4 eggs in room temperature, 2 tablespoons sunflower oil, 1/4 cup milk, 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 3 tablespoon matcha powder. This is matcha green tea powder and this is a traditional one. Don't use any flavored one. Use the normal one. Then 3/4 cup all-purpose flour or maida. 1 cup powdered sugar. First, let's sieve the dry ingredients. To a sieve, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 pinch salt, and 3 tablespoon matcha powder. Sieve it and keep aside. Now let's go for the wet ingredients. Take 4 eggs in room temperature and beat it. Then add the powdered sugar slowly, batch by batch. Beat both the mix till you get a ribbon consistency like this. Now add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Beat the batter just for 20 seconds. Don't overbeat. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Start adding the dry ingredients slowly. Don't add it at a stretch. Batch by batch you have to add, alternating with 1/4 cup of milk at room temperature. Take time and mix it. Now it's all done. Our batter is ready. Now I'm transferring it to a 5-inch pan. I'm using 2 5-inch pans. So half of the batter into one pan and the remaining to the other. Then just level it with a skewer and bake in the oven to 180-degree preheated oven for 10 minutes. Then bake in 160-degree for 15 to 20 minutes. Now our sponge is ready. We'll prepare the sugar syrup. This is 3/4 cup water, 1/4 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons condensed milk, and 1 tablespoon matcha powder. To a pan, add 3/4 cup water, 1/4 cup sugar. Mix it till the sugar melts. Add the matcha powder. This is 1 tablespoon matcha powder. Let it boil. Once it is boiled, switch off the flame and transfer and strain it to a container. Now it's time to add the condensed milk. This is 3 tablespoons condensed milk. Mix it. Now it's time to arrange the cake. I have cut the cake into 4, each one into 2 pieces. To the cake board, add some whipping cream so that the cake will not slide from the board. Keep one piece, one layer. Then soak it with the sugar syrup. Take the whipping cream in a piping bag and give one layer of whipping cream above the cake. Spread it. Make sure that it is even in the cake. Now it's time to keep the second layer. Same like the other layers, soak it with the sugar syrup and finish it off with all the 4 layers, and now the crumb coat is over. We are going to do the final layer. Take the whipping cream in a piping bag and apply the whipping cream like this. Then level it and shape it with a spatula. Now the cake is done. We are going to decorate it with a satin ribbon. I'm going to decorate it with green whipping cream. I'm using a flower nozzle. The top portion is done. For the middle portion, I'm using white whipping cream and just decorating with that. Just making small designs and filling the middle portion. Now it's time to fill the side portion. I've just small dots with the light green color and top of it with dark green color, and just shaping into a leaf shape with a spatula. You can give any design as per your choice. Now we are going to place the 1K photo print into the cake. I have kept the 1. Now we are going to keep the K. So just apply it like that. So our cake is ready. Now we are going to keep the logo of the channel as a topper. Refrigerate the cake for at least 8 hours. Then we can take and use it. So once again, thank you for all the support and encouragement from the bottom of my heart. Keep watching and stay tuned for more videos. Kindly subscribe and support.